Okay, so today we are going to study mind mapping. Mind map, right? Mind map. It is a mind. It is a map of our mind. Okay. See the different concept. 3.2. Do schools really kill creativity? It is the question. Do school really kill creativity? And it titled as the mind mapping. शाळा खरोखरच तुमची क्रिएटिव्हिटी मीन्स ॲबिलिटी टू क्रिएट न्यू थिंग्स ते नष्ट करतात का? व्हॉट डू यू थिंक? आर यू एग्री विथ दिस स्टेटमेंट? येस, मेनी ऑफ यू रिस्पॉन्डेड as no, means you are positive towards the schools and this educational system in the country like India. Yes, there are various activities over there in a school which make you creative, right? Okay, here mind mapping technique we have to study, and it is also one of the writing skill topic. Before going in deep, we have to discuss some of the points. But mind, what do you mean by mind mapping? What is mind mapping actually? Means if you have any idea in our mind, see, if you have any idea, if take the example of pollution, if we take this topic pollution, then different ideas will be occurs, different ideas will be come in your mind, will be right? वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या कल्पना तुमच्या मनामध्ये येतील. हा पोल्युशन हा एक शब्द ऐकला तर इट मे बी लाईक देर आर डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्युशन्स, right? Someone can say there is air pollution, right? Someone can say there is the water pollution, then the sound pollution, then the soil pollution. These are the major types of pollutions, right? Then we may think about some causes, effects and solutions of these type of pollution, right? We know the pollutions. Air pollution म्हणजे काय, water pollution म्हणजे काय, sound pollution म्हणजे काय, soil pollution म्हणजे काय, हे तुम्हाला माहिती. मग याच्याशी रिलेटेड आता एअर पोल्युशनशी रिलेटेड अजून काही वेगवेगळ्या आयडिया तुमच्या मनामध्ये येऊ शकते, बरोबर? that may be there are various causes of air pollution, right? There are certain effects of air pollution, and there may be certain solutions for solving this problem of air pollution. Same things are as applicable to the remaining parts of remaining types of pollution also. Means causes of water pollution, then effects of water pollution, then the solutions for water pollution. How can we eradicate, how can we stop water pollution? That means the solution. Same way you can say causes of sound pollution, then effects of sound pollution, and then solutions for the sound pollution. Same thing, there are certain causes of soil pollution, there are some effects of soil pollution, and there are certain solutions for that, right? You may think for those causes, you may think for those causes of air pollution, you may think for some causes of water pollution, you may think for some causes of sound pollution, you may think for the causes of soil pollution, right? What are those causes? What are those effects? What are those solutions for व्हॉट आर दोज टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्युशन. मग हे पोल्युशन हा एक टॉपिक घेतला, एक आयडिया घेतली, तर त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड असणाऱ्या ब्रांचेस, त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड असणारे व्हेरियस ट्विग्स आपल्याला मांडता आले पाहिजे. अँड इट इज लाईक द माइंड मॅप. It is the mind map regarding any of the idea, right? See, you can tell some causes of air pollution, you can tell some effects of air pollution. In the same way, you can tell some solutions for the air pollution. Also, you can tell some causes of water pollution. What are those causes? If you know causes of air pollution, can you tell me some causes of air pollution? Okay. Smoke from the industries and vehicles, factory outlet, okay, industrialization, correct. Causes of water pollutions are there, right? There are various effects of water pollution. What are those effects of water pollution? You know, तुम्हाला माहित असणारे इफेक्ट्स वॉटर पोल्युशनचे कोणते? Yes, effects of water pollution. Yes, sewage water entered in the river, mixed in the river, and that river water get contaminated, right? Very good. Some stomach diseases are there, right? Very good. Then there may be some of the solution for those types of pollution, that of the air pollution and water pollution, right? Can you tell me some solutions for the water pollution or minimizing or decreasing water pollution? How can we stop, decrease the water pollution? I'm asking about the water pollution. Okay, someone is responding, save trees. Okay. Okay, to have some special water treatments for that. Okay, you can do plantation on the bank of rivers, right? You can manage the sewage water. There should be the underground, that sewage system in a city. Okay, you can save the trees, right? Same way, there are certain causes of sound pollution also, right? There are certain effects of sound pollution also, and there may be some probable solutions for decreasing sound pollution. Same thing is as applicable to causes of soil pollution, some effects of soil pollutions, and some solutions you can show, you can suggest some solutions for the soil pollution. पण तुम्ही soil pollution साठी काही कमी करण्यासाठी काही सोल्युशन सांगू शकता, त्याच्यावरती आपण how can we overcome that air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, sound pollution? Means if you take only one point, बघा घेतला होता आपण काय पॉइंट, एकच, that idea is the pollution. ती कल्पना आपली जी होती ती काय होती, pollution. And by using this idea, we structured 4 main branches of the pollution, right? We structure these 4 main branches of the pollution, and we structure different twigs, right? Different twig regarding those branches, like the causes, effects, solution, and also we may create more twigs of the causes, effects, and solution. म्हणजे या प्रकारे एक तुम्हाला एक आयडिया आली असेल की माइंड मॅप म्हणजे काय असतो. हा आहे तुमच्या मनाचा नकाशा. काय काय विचार आले तुमच्या मनामध्ये, एखादी एक पॉइंट घेतला, एक आयडिया घेतली आपण, तर त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड आपण किती वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे विचार करू शकतो. अशा प्रकारचं माइंड मॅप ऍक्च्युली आपल्या मनामध्ये कोणत्याही एखाद्या टॉपिक विषयी क्रिएट झाला पाहिजे. अँड ऍक्च्युली इथं जे पुस्तकात दिले, डू स्कूल्स रिअली किल युअर क्रिएटिव्हिटी. शाळा ही तुमची क्रिएटिव्हिटी, दॅट ॲबिलिटी टू क्रिएट न्यू, म्हणजेच त्याला मराठीत सर्जनशीलता म्हणतात. नवीन काहीतरी निर्माण करण्याची शक्ती, ती नवीन निर्माण करण्याची शक्ती शाळा ही तुमची कमी करते का, ती मारते का, अशा प्रकारचं टायटल दिलेलं आहे. आता त्याच्या पाठीमागचं रिझन पुढे एक आपल्याला पॅराग्राफ स्टडी करायचा आहे, त्याच्यात ते दिलंय म्हणून तसं टायटल आहे. बट yes, it is very easy. Prithviraj, you are correct, but you should know ample of information, too much information about that particular points, that idea, then and then only you can structure such kind of mind map. Okay, see page number 141. There are various activities given in icebreaker section. On page number 141, here observe the given figure and complete the activities that follow. आता इथे माइंड मॅपच दिलेला आहे, एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी तुम्हाला दिली, पण इथं फक्त ते स्ट्रक्चर दिले, राईट. त्याच्यामध्ये काय काय तुम्ही इन्क्लूड करू शकता. यू कॅन टेक एनी ऑफ द मेन आयडिया, यू कॅन टेक 3 डिफरंट ब्रांचेस अँड डिफरंट ट्विग्स. ट्विग म्हणजे डहाळ्या, ब्रँच म्हणजे फांद्या, आणि ट्विग म्हणजे फांद्यानंतर झाडाला येतं ना पुढं, डहाळी म्हणतो आपण. तर तसे ट्विग तुम्ही त्याला काही ऍड करू शकता. येस, यू कॅन टेक एनिथिंग. इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ ट्रीज घ्यावं असं काही नाही, ठीक आहे. इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ ट्रीज घ्यावं असं काही रिझन नाही. यू कॅन टेक एनी एक्झाम्पल. Yes, what you can take, someone say you can take movie, you can take the school. Okay, see, if you take the example of schools, different schools in our area, there are some Marathi medium schools, there are some semi English medium schools, there are some English medium schools including HSC board, CBSE board and ICSC board, right? Yes, you can make such kind of that tree diagram, that mind map here. तसाही mind map तुम्ही construct करू शकता, ठीक आहे. You can take the example of English literature. If you consider English literature, there are 3 main branches. Those are prose, poetry and drama. If you take the example of English literature, then prose, poetry and drama, these are 3 main branches, and there may be some twigs, right? तुम्ही सब ब्रांचेस त्याच्यात अजून कन्स्ट्रक्ट करू शकता. प्रोज मे बी, प्रोज म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये नॉवेल असतात, आर्टिकल असू शकतील, एसे असू शकतील. मग प्रोज तुम्ही अजून सब कॅटेगरी त्याच्यात ट्विग करू शकता, नॉवेल किंवा फिक्शन अँड नॉन फिक्शन, असं तुम्ही त्याला डिवाइड करू शकता. पोएमचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत, तेही लिहू शकता, पण माहिती पाहिजे तुम्हाला. आता तुम्ही उगाच इथं सांगताय, तर if you have the clear idea, then you can make such kind of mind map over there, right? बघा तेच सांगितलेलं आहे इथं. A, replace the main idea by any other thought or title of your own. You can take any title over here at the place of main idea. Then add 3 supporting ideas to the main idea as their branches. You can write 3 supporting ideas over there, right? As I say, schools, different schools in our area: Marathi medium schools, semi English medium schools and English medium schools including CBSE, ICSE. Then you can make the twigs, that HSC board schools in English medium, then CBSE schools, then ICSC schools. You can construct such a twigs over there, right? हे C point under delay. Add 2 ideas to one of the branches that explain the meaning of the branch. explain those types of the branches. Okay. Can you complete this activity? I have given 2 examples, right? Can you complete this activity? Okay. Then see the next activity. It is also too much related to you. It is related to you. Complete the given blank spaces, balloons with your ideas in the figure that describe your basic preparation for HSC board examination. Also complete the activity that follow. What you have to do? इथं काय करायचं आहे? It is the mind map regarding the preparation for HSC board examination. One is given to you here. Through thorough reading of the all textbook, you can read all textbook thoroughly and you can prepare for the exam. Then what are other those factors you can consider for preparing that HSC board exam? Solving more and more previous question papers, very good. Writing notes, making list of doubts of everyday lecture, solve more examples, very good. Try to clear all concept, very good. Practicing different types of question paper, correct. Time management, very good. Preparing timetable, schedule of your study, correct. Correct. Revision, very good. You will attend each and every lecture, right? You can list out your doubts. You will try to clear your doubt. Pawan, do you have any doubt, Pawan? Pawan Kadam. Is there any doubt in your mind? You raise your hand. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Memorizing key concept, solving unsolved, a solved example, very good. Collect all last year papers. Yes, means you get the idea. तुम्हाला कळलं की हे हा माइंड मॅप कसा तुम्ही पूर्ण करणार. मग त्याला अजून थरो रीडिंग ऑफ ऑल टेक्स्ट बुक, याला अजून काही पॉइंट्स असतील, त्याला ट्विक्स असतील अजून. येते ना लक्षात? मेमोरायझिंग डिफरंट इक्वेशन अँड फॉर्म्युले, राईट. Means you can solve this activity also. You responded correctly in a chat box and you got many of the points regarding this activity. Okay, then next activity on the page number 142. 142 हे समजलं का? Got it? Okay, then see the next activity on page number 142. Actually, this activity is also related to whatever we discuss. Complete a similar type of detailed graphical figure in your own style, showing the thoughts, ideas, concepts that keep on gathering in your mind. And then you choose a particular style, design, or a graphical representation to describe the same fact, situation, idea. Then this type of presentation can be called mind mapping. What does it mean? What do you mean by mind mapping? If you can complete such a similar type of detailed graphical figure in your own style, showing your thoughts, ideas, concept, and that keep on gathering in your mind, then you choose particular style design or a graphical representation to describe the same idea, facts, or situation. Then this type of presentation can be called mind mapping. You can use different shapes over there. You can use different shape for mind map. Then you can use arrows. You can select lines, connectors, balloons, boxes, curved arrows, then callouts, scribbles, scrolls, explosions, etc. to describe your point of view. You can take help of any shape. Okay. Callouts म्हणजे या प्रकारचे साइन सिम्बॉल असतात कॉलआउट्स. ठीक आहे, असे साइन्स जे असतात त्याला कॉलआउट्स म्हणतात. आणि स्क्रिबल्स म्हणजे लिपी, एक वेगळीच भाषा. स्क्रिबल्स म्हणजे काहीतरी रेखाटलेलं असणं. स्क्रिबल्स म्हणजे इट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ डिफरंट शेप्स यू कॅन सी. ओके. अँड स्क्रोल्स आर लाईक दिस. स्क्रोल्स. You can take the help of such kind of shape for making your mind map, right? Here is बघा, इथं बघ दाखवलेलं आहे. अशा प्रकारचे माइंड मॅप साठी अशा प्रकारचे वेगवेगळे शेप तुम्ही घेऊ शकता, राइट? बाय टेकिंग हेल्प ऑफ डिफरंट शेप you can make your own mind map regarding any of the point. That point, you may take any point. If we take example of different career opportunities after 12th, right? Different career field after 12th, then you can make such kind of that mind mapping graph. Okay. हा वेगवेगळे असतील, लॉ असेल, अजून काही असेल, बरोबर. आता मी सगळे ते इथं डिस्कस करत नाही. इट इज टू इझी वन, बरोबर, सोपं आहे ते. येस, करेक्ट, युअर रिस्पॉन्सेस आर करेक्ट. हु इज दिस? टोनी स्टार्क. Who is this? Do you know this person? Julian Astley is the Director of Education at RSA, Republic South Africa. Julian Astley is the Director of Education at RSA. Previously, he worked in number 10 Downing Street as Deputy Director of British Prime Minister's Policy Unit and Senior Policy Advisor to Deputy Prime Minister Nick Clegg. बघा, जुलियन ॲस्ले हे डायरेक्टर आहेत, एक एज्युकेशन डायरेक्टर आहेत रिपब्लिक साऊथ आफ्रिकेमधले, आणि ते एक डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर म्हणून ब्रिटिश प्राईम मिनिस्टर होते. तर त्यांचे डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर पॉलिसी मेकिंग युनिट मध्ये ते काम करत होते. तसेच he worked as the senior policy advisor to the deputy prime minister Nick Clegg. That Julian Astley is working as the director of education at RSA for the British prime minister as well as deputy prime minister, right? Previously, he was the director of Center Forum, Westminster based think tank. And he was the director of Center Forum, a Westminster based think tank. He has also worked as the post-conflict advisor to the British government in Whitehall. He also worked as the post-conflict advisor to the British government and to United Nations in Bosnia and Kosovo. In the most watched TED talk, it is about हे जे आहे तर कुणाविषयी आहे तर जुलियन ॲस्ले यांच्याविषयी ते माहिती सांगतायत. बघा, इन द मोस्ट वॉच टॉक TED talk, TED, that means technology, entertainment and design. TED talk, technology, entertainment and design. Actually, it is one of the organization, non-government organization, and different guest lecture are organized by TED. यांच्या TED talk द्वारे बरेच लेक्चर्स, मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर्स किंवा चांगले टेक्नॉलॉजी, एंटरटेनमेंट आणि डिझाईन याच्याशी रिलेटेड लेक्चर्स अरेंज केले जातात. एज्युकेशनलिस्ट सर केन रॉबिन्सन FRSA claims that school skill creativity. आणि त्या TED टॉक मध्ये एक टॉक तिथं एक लेक्चर झालं मोटिवेशनल रिलेटेड टू एज्युकेशन, एक लेक्चर झालं, तर ते होतं केन रॉबिन्सन यांचं. FRSA, केन रॉबिन्सन इज FRSA. FRSA means फेलो ऑफ रॉयल सोसायटी ऑफ आर्ट. FRSA म्हणजे काय? फेलो ऑफ रॉयल सोसायटी ऑफ आर्ट. अँड ही क्लेम दॅट स्कूल स्किल क्रिएटिव्हिटी. आणि त्या टॉक मध्ये त्यांच्या त्या स्पीच मध्ये त्यांनी सांगितलं की शाळा जी आहेत ना त्या क्रिएटिव्हिटी किल करतायत, मुलांची क्रिएटिव्हिटी मारतायत. Arguing that we don't grow into creativity. And according to Ken Robinson, Sir Ken Robinson, we don't grow into creativity, we grow out of it. In school, शाळेमध्ये आपण ती सर्जनशीलतेमध्ये शिकत नाही, आपण वाढत नाही, तर सर्जनशीलतेच्या आउट ऑफ बॉक्स जाऊन नवनिर्मितीची क्षमता एका बाजूला, त्या ॲबिलिटी एका बाजूला आणि आपण एका बाजूला असतो. or rather we get educated out of it. आणि अशा वातावरणामध्ये आपण शिकत असतो की सर्जनशीलता एका बाजूला आणि आपली शिक्षण पद्धती एका बाजूला. Yet to Robinson, creativity is as important as literacy and we should afford it in the same status. पण रॉबिन्सन यांच्यासाठी ते म्हणतात की क्रिएटिव्हिटी is as important as literacy and we should afford it in the same status. क्रिएटिव्हिटी ही एक आपली सर्जनशीलता, नवनिर्मितीची क्षमता ही आपल्या साक्षरते इतकीच महत्वाची आहे. इट इज ॲज इम्पॉर्टंट ॲज लिटरसी. जसं आपण वाचून, लिहून किंवा शिकून साक्षर होतो ना, तसंच आपण क्रिएटिव्ह पण झालं पाहिजे असं रॉबिन्सन यांना वाटतं. हे रॉबिन्सन यांचं मत आहे. Right? So, Sir Ken Robinson claimed that schools kill our creativity, education is out of creativity, and creativity to be acquired in the educational itself. We can acquire creativity by taking education. Tanmay, do you have any doubt, Tanmay? Those who have doubts, you can unmute yourself and ask your question. चॅट बॉक्स डिसेबल केलेला आहे मी, ठीक आहे. तुमचे डाऊट जर असतील ना तर अनम्यूट करा स्वतःला आणि तुमचे डाऊट विचारायचे. चॅट बॉक्स बंद केले सध्या, तुम्ही मेसेज करू शकणार नाही आता चॅट बॉक्स. ओके,
ओके सर.
सर केन रॉबिन्सन असं क्लेम करतात की स्कूल्स हे क्रिएटिव्हिटी स्टॉप करतायत, राईट? पण एज्युकेशन जे होतंय ते क्रिएटिव्हिटीच्या आउट ऑफ बॉक्स जाऊन होते. क्रिएटिव्हिटी एज्युकेशन मधून साधलीच जात नाही असं त्यांचं म्हणणं आहे. पण ही क्रिएटिव्हिटी आणणं हे शिक्षणानंच साध्य होऊ शकतं. It can be only possible with the education, by taking education itself. Okay. Then true creativity is based on knowledge, which in turn is based on literacy. खरी सर्जनशीलता है, it is based on knowledge, and which in turn it is based on literacy also, right? So for the creativity, knowledge is necessary, also literacy is most important thing. Our schools where children develop the literacy skills on which all further learning depends are therefore not killing creativity. Okay, our schools where children develop literacy skill on which all further learning depends are therefore not killing creativity but cultivating it by providing the foundation young people need to be properly creative. Actually, it is also one of the point that our schools are creating the foundation for the creative thoughts, right? Schools are creating foundation for creative thoughts. Then, as evidence of how schools kill creativity, Robinson cites the example of young girl called Gillian Lynn. Here is one example of Gillian Lynn, and by that example, Robinson wants to tell you how that creativity can be killed by such kinds of schools. त्या शाळेमधून कशा प्रकारे सर्जनशीलता विद्यार्थ्यांची थांबवली जाते, सर्जनशीलतेला वाव दिला जात नाही, हे जिलियन लिन या एका यंग गर्लच्या उदाहरणांवरून त्यांनी स्पष्ट करण्याचा इथं प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. ओके, ऍक्च्युली our lecture is running out of time, right? So we have to stop here. You may have certain difficulties. You may face certain difficulties while chatting in a chat box actually, but I don't have any other option. Thank you very much.
Thank you.